Hey guys, welcome to the School of Nomads. So in this review, I want to talk to you about Energize. Now Energize is due to be released on June the 2nd at 10 AM Eastern, and it comes from Glyn Kosky. Now this is a software that builds funnels for you, and in this case the funnels that they've included are for high commission products. So we're going to jump inside, I'll show you around the dashboard, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about the sales page. And then I'll show you what those OTOs are so you understand exactly what you're getting if you decide to jump in and purchase this product. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And the idea of the reviews is you just get a little bit more information before you decide to part with your hard-earned cash and purchase any kind of products or services like this online. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. And guys, if you're really serious about building an online business using affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and grab our free training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. You really want to go and grab that, guys. It's a step-by-step guide to getting started straight away. So guys, I jumped over to the dashboard. You can see that this is the same dashboard that Glyn uses on every single one of his launches. Now everything's the same, the OTOs are the same, no congruency with the actual product, nothing's a upsell to the product. They do use the same package of OTOs every single time. You look at this dashboard for Traffic Beast, all of these OTOs are exactly the same, everything's the same, and then this one is crypto commissions. All of these OTOs are exactly the same, everything's the same. There's just a subtle difference sometimes in some of these menus. So let's go and have a look at this kind of a pinky version of this. I'm a bit colorblind, sorry guys. So you can go ahead and look at the dashboard. This is the usual welcome video. Then there's some tutorials here. Now, as I said in all my reviews, Glyn actually does good tutorials. They're very plain, they're very simple. And the products are kind of very plain and simple. So these kind of suit. Now, mainly these just talk about the way you integrate and add your affiliate links into the various funnels. I'm going to show you what one of these funnels looks like, and then how to integrate your autoresponder, which I'll kind of come back to because this always intrigues me. If you've got an autoresponder, you don't need this product. So I can kind of come back to that. Social sharing, which is the bane of my life. I'll talk to you about social sharing. And then the delivery page. Now I'm actually going to show you what one of these funnels looks like. But let me jump over to Funnelytics, a program I've got, just to show you what the whole funnel would look like on here. Okay, so let me just show you what's happening here. So basically what the product is providing you is an opt-in form here. And then it goes over to a webinar, which you actually link to within your opt-in form, and then you have a download page. Now what you need to do is you have an affiliate link here if you add into the opt-in form. So what happens is you get traffic, which is something we're going to talk to you a lot about in this review, over to the opt-in form. They then click the link and opt in over to the actual webinar, and then they decide to actually purchase or not purchase via this webinar. Now, the reason these are webinars is usually when you have high ticket items, they tend to be webinars that you go to first because there's a lot of kind of sales that they need to do to sell some of these high ticket webinars. Now, if you're a complete beginner, high ticket products are very good obviously to get one-off high ticket commissions, but you don't get many people buying them. So you have to send a hell of a lot of traffic over to this webinar to catch those few people that are going to come along and purchase. It is quite hard when you're a complete beginner to get people over to these high ticket items. So what you need to do really is you have to have an email connected to this, because to get to the download page, which is where you're going to give them a bonus that they provide, you're going to have to send them an email. So once they opt in, it automatically triggers an email, which then they get in their inbox and they can go to the download page. Now on this email, you would have links back to the webinar if you wanted, but mainly if you get them over to the download page, you can send the bonus and you can send them further links. So that's basically the way this is actually working. And guys, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this strategy. The only concerning thing for me as a newbie is you'll need to get a lot of traffic over to a high ticket webinar to get those few sales. So let's jump back over to the actual product itself. Now the easiest way for me to actually show you this is to go down to the campaigns and then edit a campaign. So if I just come in here and I publish the 12-minute affiliate, this is a product that I would never promote, and neither is passive income system. Half of these I would never promote to anybody. But anyway, that's up to you guys. I'm not telling you what to promote in your business, But because 12-Minute Affiliate actually talks about solo ads and getting solo ads over to 12-Minute Affiliate for people to buy it, I think it's a terrible one to promote. But there you are. Let me just go out and publish this. Now what you have is those 3 pages. Your squeeze page is the opt-in form I told you about. Then you have the webinar page, and then you have the download page. Now these are all related to 12-Minute Affiliate. Now you can embed the pages, you can download the pages, and you can download them all. Now as you send these out, all of these would actually be under the energizeapp.com software. Now if this software ever goes offline, I know a lot of its products have gone offline in the past, then you would lose all of your links to these pages. So to make this work for your own business, if you were going to go down this route, you need to download them and upload them into your own site and have them under your own domain. But here we go. So what you do is you go to this squeeze page, and then they give you this squeeze page. Now this is quite a nice squeeze page. I've got no real problems with this. It's a little bit blue and dark to me, but the actual design is quite nice. Okay, so what they would do then is go, yeah, I really want to go and reserve this. You've got this video that turns up here, and you go ahead, and if they play yes, then they're going to go across, and once you've got this linked up to the actual webinar registration page, which they provide on 12-Minute Affiliate. Now if you go into ClickBank yourself, you can just go over to 12-Minute Affiliate and go to their affiliate section, and there's a place where you can grab this link anyway and use it yourself. But they provided a page for you. So I'm not going to be too hard on this. Obviously they got this this nice bonus pop-up that comes up, and this actually shows you a nice a bonus they're going to give you if you go ahead and watch the actual webinar. So again, there's nothing really wrong with the design of that. If I go and view the actual webinar page URL, this is actually going to go, link over to the webinar once you've got that actually plumbed in. And then you have the download page. Now this is the one that you would send via email. Now this download page, again, there's nothing really wrong with the design of it. You would go ahead and watch the training. This will be re-linked back to that webinar. Remember, the whole idea here is to get people over to the webinar, which is here. That's what you want to be trying to get people over to, because that's where they're actually going to make a purchase from. The other thing you can do is provide the actual bonus, and this gives them a place they can download the actual bonus. Now if I go and take a look at this bonus and see what it actually is, let me just bring that back over. This bonus is just this, basically this ebook. Now so far I've been reasonably positive. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to link to a video on the right hand side of your screen, then down below, that shows you how to build a landing page yourself. So you don't need a piece of software like this to build this landing page. And as I said, if you go into ClickBank, go over to 12-Minute Affiliate or one of the other products, you can go ahead and grab the webinar links. So there's no real reason to have them. The other thing you can do is, if you're going to go ahead and use an autoresponder, you can go over and use the autoresponder software to create landing pages. Now most autoresponder softwares will now have the landing page option. For instance, if I go over to my own one, which is Get Response, if I go over to their landing pages, they've got all of the different landing pages, the sign up registration pages, the download pages. You can just go and create them in here, and you've got all of these different options you go and pick from. So if you're paying for an autoresponder, which if you're going to be serious about affiliate marketing in the future, you need to, because you need to be building an email list, just come over to somewhere like Get Response or one of the many others. They've all got this type of functionality these days. So that's just another option for you guys that you can consider. Now, when I'm on this landing page, there's 2 options for you if you didn't want to use this particular one. Let's talk about the traffic. Now, the traffic they're talking about, they refer back to the landing page. They have got secret source of 400 million buyers, right? 400 million visitors. That's what they're selling this on. And it's completely for free. Now what this actually is social media traffic, because there's nowhere else on here that there's actually traffic. Now what they're actually doing is they're linking to a software called Add This. Now I have videos on Add This. Again, I'll leave that in the description below, and you can see what I think about social sharing. Now if you go and have a look at these services, some of these services are not traffic sources. Your classic ones like Facebook, Twitter, that kind of thing, if you've got a big following on these types of platforms and you share the link of this particular page to that platform, then potentially you can get traffic to it. Now, if you've got a big following on these platforms, you're not going to need some kind of software like this, because this is very much aimed at newbies. But if you have, you can go ahead and use this. Now, if you haven't and you start trying to just randomly share this link, let me just go over to my own Facebook page. If I hit that, it'll contact Facebook. and then it'll just share this. Look at that, 404 page not found, but it will share this over to my own Facebook platform where my mother, my sister, whatever, will actually see the page. That's not real traffic, is it? So that's one thing, right? You need to have a following. The other thing is when you actually just start looking at some of these links, you are looking at affiliate products like 12-minute affiliate here, which is very much a make money online product. How would you share that to Amazon? How would you share that to Fab Designs? How would you share that to the Box, which is actually a file management system? You've got so many different examples on here, guys, of places that you would just not share these types of links. It's completely pointless. I just got another one I always find is Trello. Trello is a project management system. Who's going to be on this project management system to see your links? So these are just spam creation tools. Used in the right way, a software like Endorse is really good. It allows you to build your own content, provide value, and then get people to share it for you. Absolutely nothing wrong with Endorse itself. But the way these products are actually using it time after time after time, and they're telling you it's worth 400 million viewers, is complete and utter garbage, guys. It's just not true. And they know it, they don't care, but they're just kind of tricking you as a newbie into thinking that if I share this to Facebook, loads of people are going to organically see it. Not true, guys. Let me just jump back. These are the actual pages. You've seen the pages. These are just some of the initial campaigns. Then you have some bonus campaigns here, apparently. There's some more campaigns you can go ahead and share. Ambassador program, that's a high ticket one for John Thornhill. Commission hero, that's a very high ticket one. So they're just picking all the high ticket ones here with a webinar involved, which is kind of fair enough. I don't like half these products, but that's my view. I've been online for a while. I understand what works online. I know these products are mostly spammy, but I'm not going to tell you what to promote. I'll advise you against it, but I won't tell you. So that's where the actual campaigns are. Then you have your affiliate links. You obviously need to go ahead and get your affiliate links to paste into those various webinars. Let me just go and show you how to build one very quickly. Go back to your campaigns, go back to create new. And then what you would have here is a campaign title. That's where that affiliate link would go. You'd have some kind of bonus link there. So they got these different types of bonuses here. Got a headline, you've got bullet points here. You can have these on your squeeze page, change your squeeze page up, change the image, put some timers in there, put your webinar in there. So if you wanted to have a webinar redirect in there, go ahead and pick your autoresponder here, whichever it may be, and then choose the list tags that you're actually going to use within your autoresponder, and then create, and then you create your page. Very, very quick, no issues there, but I just think you don't need it. So that's the actual main product, and then we just come back into the usual upgrades for these types of vendor products. Everyone's the same. He offers you some clicks here. I'm not sure if anyone's ever got this free traffic, but he offers you 50 free clicks. But then what are you going to do after that? You have a affiliate traffic lab link, which is a terrible product that allows you to make very, very small, low quality videos out of sales pages. I'll actually leave my review of that in the description below. And it just doesn't work. Viral News Jacker creates pages that jack news articles. Again, you're going to get no traffic to that. And then you got some more free traffic down here. So if you click here for free traffic, you got this traffic jap, whatever this is. Dear me. And then you got your traffic training here, which is another link to another product called Triple Traffic Bots. And again, guys, it doesn't work. So this is where the actual traffic is now. Download the free traffic guide. You have a very, very low quality PDF there. You can access their product vault here. So you can come in here and you can look at their product vault and you can sign up for each one of these, and you will get spammed to death for all of these different product vaults. I'll tell you, last time I did that, I actually had about 20 emails of people I didn't even give permission to email me coming out of nowhere. So that's kind of what you get there. And then you have the upgrades here. You have the unlimited here, which is just some kind of upgrade to unlimited. Then you have a traffic upgrade here. This one is a pixel. You can create a Facebook pixel, then add it to their sales pages. And from that, you can create a custom audience, and then you can remarket to that custom audience. If any of what I just said confuses you, this is why this is completely pointless if you're a newbie. You need to understand how to set up a proper business, providing value to people, and then selling products on the back end. All of these type of quick Facebook ad type products are going to confuse you, and you're going to cost you a lot of money. Then you have these Rolodexes down here. This 2020 traffic Rolodex. And this Rolodex was actually created in 2017. You look here, the complete list of every high converted traffic source in 2017, and you've got all of these different links, and all of these are going to be out of date. Nothing is going to actually work for you. All they are is scrammed full of affiliate links so they can make more money off you. So guys, as usual, all of these upgrades are just a confusing mess of upgrades which really have got no congruency with the original product. They're just more and more and more for you to go ahead and sign up for, waste time on, and to be honest, I think this is again something that you do not need. What you need to do if you're serious about doing this is you need to learn how to build your own opt-in form, go ahead and promote your own products, and then have your autoresponder there to market to people on the back end. That's exactly what we teach you if you go ahead and hit the link in the description below. We go through exactly how to set all of this up, but how to provide value to people before you ever go ahead and promote any kind of products online. Because if you don't do that, you're not going to build a long-term business. So guys, let's jump back to the sales page. Elite buyer traffic in 60 seconds. I think we talked about that. That's not going to be viable. Secret source of 400 million buyers, 100% done for your sites and system. The funnels are fine. I haven't got any real problem with the pages. If you're a real newbie, you can use these pages, but without traffic, they're worthless. All traffic is 100% included for free. Designed for beginners, brand new tech for 2021. He's released this every single month for the last 2 or 3 years. It's the same interface. Work from home starting today, achieve financial freedom, quit your job, stop failing, and finally break through. It's got a 180-day money-back guarantee. So guys, this is $17. I'm not even going to bother going through the rest of the sales page. You can read that for yourself if you're really interested. It's just a series of financial proof, which is going to be based on the vendor's revenue, based on selling products like this, not by using this product. So again, this is $17, but if you really wanted it, you can get $4 off just by taking advantage of this. So you can get it for $13. If you really wanted to buy this and have a click around and have a look at how they set these funnels up, I would use this as a nice little guide, but I would definitely go ahead and set up your own system to do it. So let's look at the OTOs. Now the OTOs have never got any detail on them, but it's the unlimited version. You can get that for $67 down to $37. The second number is always the downsell. You get 100% done for you. That's more funnels, $97 down to $47. Unlimited traffic, which is that pixel, $97 down to $47. Automation, $67 down to $37. The ATM edition, $197 down to $47. An Ultimate edition, $197 down to $47. And the license rights, $67 down to $37. Now these always interest me because there's no difference in these particular OTOs if you don't go for the first version. So if you were suckered into buying the $197 version, you're going to be pretty peeved off when you realize this was for $47. So if you're really going to buy this, please wait for the downsell. So guys, just in summary, the pros on this, I do think that the funnels look okay. There's nothing wrong with the overall idea of this, and if you're a complete beginner, you could utilize it. Now the cons are traffic, guys. If you don't understand, and if you haven't got a good foundation of your business where you've got people that are going to come along and view your pages, then it's completely pointless buying something like this, because you're going to have no visitors and it's going to be a complete waste of your time. So if you don't understand how to generate traffic, do not purchase any kind of products that are done for you funnels online before you learn how to do the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. If it was, go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe and notification bell so I can let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business online, go ahead and grab our free training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.